Today the whole world is operated in zeros and ones. Almost every single work which is traditionally done physically, now can be done virtually, with the help of technology. All thanks to intelligent minds out there who are contributing to it. Hello, I am Diabolical Coder. And today we are going to see how programming languages contributed to technology through the history. So, what is mean by the programming language? A programming language is a formalized set of instructions that a computer can understand and execute. In simple words, if we want computer to do our task, then we need a communicational bridge, because computer cannot understand English language, and we does not understand the binary language. And this bridge is programming language. In 1949, a low-level language is developed. It consists of some symbols that computer understands, and can work accordingly. One can imagine code like this. It is also called as assembly language, and even today it is used in flight simulators, and for creating computer viruses. And, now we are in 1957, the year in which first ever official programming language had been created, named Fortran. It is developed by John Backus and IBM. Major implementation of Fortran is in software for NASA probes Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Now, fast forward to 1959, just after 2 years from Fortran, COBOL is introduced. A new programming language is ready to take away the market. Because a study says that in 1997, almost 80% of businesses in US ran on COBOL. COBOL was created by Dr. Grace Hopper. She also served as United States Navy Rear Admiral. As COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language, it is mostly used by the businesses, and even today some of them rely on COBOL. Next language is the first language many of us learn when we are about to start our journey as a software engineer. In 1972 C is released. In 1972 this is how teachers used to teach the students about C language, and this in 2023. Anyhow, C can be used in implementing an operating system, embedded system, and also on the website using the Common Gateway Interface, CGI. Also, C is considered as most popular, and mother of, all other high-level languages. Boom. In 1983, object-oriented angle is given to the C, making it C++. Even today, C++ is the fastest high-level programming language. Earlier, Apple Incorporated uses Objective-C to make applications. By the way, Dennis Ritchie created C language. You will also be amazed by the fact that, in 1983 itself, the Internet was born, and birthday of Internet is considered on January 1, 1983. And here we are in 1991, year in which my favorite programming language was developed, Python. Python is one of the most popular and easy to understand programming language, and have many broad use cases. For example, for web development, frameworks like Django and Flask is used. For machine learning, libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow are used. Python can also be used to program microcontrollers and IoT devices using platforms like MicroPython and CircuitPython. Now in 1995, it is a big year for the software industry. Because Java, PHP and JavaScript was introduced in this same year. Java is mostly used for mobile and desktop application development, while PHP allows web developers to create dynamic content and interact with databases. And JavaScript is used to provide logic to the web pages made by HTML and CSS. Swift is a powerful and modern programming language developed by Apple Incorporated. It was first introduced in 2014 and quickly gained popularity in the software development community. Swift is commonly used for developing iOS and macOS applications, including iPhone, iPad, and Mac apps. It can be employed in cross-platform mobile app development, often in combination with frameworks like Flutter to target multiple platforms. In 2023, Chris Lattner released a new programming language named Mojo. Mojo combines the usability of Python with the performance of C, unlocking unparalleled programmability of AI hardware and extensibility of AI models. Mojolang is used for web development, including building web applications, RESTful APIs, and dynamic websites with a focus on simplicity and productivity. In closing, the evolution of programming languages is a testament to human innovation. From machine code to high-level languages, these tools have shaped our digital world, And the journey continues, promising limitless possibilities for future developers and creators. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of programming languages. Subscribe to Diabolical Coder for more exciting tech content.